Welcome to B&K Precision Machining Channel. Today we'll take you behind the scenes of one of our latest projects, the Rohloff Output Sprocket Adapter, a lightweight and highly precise component designed for top mechanical performance. The part was manufactured from Ø59 H7 aluminum alloy, a material known for its strength and machinability. The main challenge was maintaining a 5.9 H7 plus 0.03 millimeters fit tolerance, leaving virtually no margin for error. Precision feed parameters and stable cooling were essential to prevent even the slightest deformation during machining. The adapter features 8 3.3 through holes for M4 threads, 4 8mm mounting holes, and chamfers and radii from R3.5 to R8, all executed with maximum accuracy to ensure smooth assembly and perfect alignment. With a thickness of just 4.3 millimeters, even the smallest vibration could affect the result, so precision fixturing and minimal finishing passes were used to guarantee dimensional stability. The process included cutting the aluminum blanks to size, CNC milling on a Haas VM2 machining center, deburring and cleaning all edges, and secure packaging for safe delivery. Each stage was performed under strict control to meet ISO 2015 precision standards. Quality control covered every step, from drawing review and material inspection to in-process and final checks. All measurements were performed with calibrated instruments by skilled specialists to ensure full compliance with tolerance and geometry requirements. The result, a lightweight, precise, and reliable adapter, ready for integration into high-performance systems where every hundredth of a millimeter matters. Subscribe to our channel to see more precision machining projects from B&K Precision Machining. Visit bnkmachining.com to learn more about our services. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next project.